Hello, today I'm going to show you how to jitter clicking. Yeah, we will gain our click frequency now. How does it works? You have to lay down the tip of your fingers on top of the mouse button, and then you have to jitter so fast, jitter so fast as you can do this, and this will gain your click frequency immediately. As you can see, use your arm as a lever, and then you have to make huge of body tension. Yeah, all your arm muscles have to work hard to gain so many clicks each second. Let's try this. And this practice will help you to have a better game experience, for example in Minecraft and other games at the computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.